Welcome to Perfactory Channel. To make this delicious tropical berry treat smoothie, you need to prepare half a cup frozen blueberries, 1 cup low-fat milk, 2 tablespoons toasted oats or granola, half a cup Greek yogurt, 1 banana, ice cubes, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon honey or stevia or regular sugar, according to preference. A scoop of preferred flavored protein powder or collagen can be added to the drink. Blend all the ingredients together. Smoothie is a fantastic way to consume a nutrient-rich blend, abundant in beneficial nutrients for the body. Milk contributes significantly by providing the essential calcium needed to fortify bones, in addition to protein that aids tissue building and maintains overall health. Notably, Greek yogurt improves the digestive process. When we delve into frozen blueberries, we find that they carry antioxidants that shield cells from damage caused by oxidative processes. As for bananas, they are rich in potassium, playing a pivotal role in supporting nervous system functions.